Hello, today we're going to be talking about how repairable, upgradable and sort of user changeable parts on our 𝗨𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Obviously we get a lot of questions about how repairable they are, and yeah, hopefully today we can sort of have a quick overview on exactly how that is. So to start with, all of our machines, you can take the whole machine apart with a Phillips screwdriver. We'd recommend a 𝗵𝘁𝗍, which, yeah, all the screws in the machine, that's what they are. There's no special requirements. Yeah, just one tool, take the whole thing apart. Obviously, here's one I prepared earlier, so we can demonstrate that in a bit. But yeah, to start off with, all the options that we offer from our store. So yeah, they're all Gen 4 drives for the Ultra. So we offer like 1, 2 and 4 terabyte options, and then RAM, they're DDR5, and they always come in pairs. So the lowest configuration would be a pair of 16s for 32, pair of 32s for 64, and then yeah, the highest end would be 2 48s, which give you 96 gigs of RAM, which is more than enough for most users. So yeah, repairability wise, yeah, the back plate, I've already pre-removed the screws. Okay, so once we've got the back plate off, yeah, let's sort of overview of the internal components in the machine. We've got the sort of main battery, I/O board, fan, and then the whole main board or motherboard assembly with the CPU, RAM modules, and SSD. We get a lot of questions about wireless cards as well. Yeah, that one is user replaceable or changeable or future upgradable. Yeah, I've already pre-removed all the screws, but yeah, using our 𝗵𝘁𝗍 screwdriver, it's fairly straightforward. Everything unlatches from ribbon cables or unplugs for audio. As you can see, the fan will come away from there. It's obviously taped in place. Main board will lift out as a whole piece. Then I/O board, so only one screw I've left in. Yeah, as easy as that. Yeah, obviously we've got a few bits of cables to route through the machine for the antennas. Yeah, I/O board, fan assembly, and then yeah, we've got just the trackpad, ribbon cable, along with the backlight cables to the I/O board, and then the keyboard connector, and then display. And then for getting the display from the machine, there's another 6 screws, and then that will lift away from the main chassis. The speakers are obviously held in place with adhesive underneath there, and then the sound outputs to the edges of the machine. And that's pretty much a straightforward stripped down machine. So from there, the main boards are pretty much interchangeable at the moment, and in future machines we intend to keep the same form factor. So like if we do need to change the main board, I think it goes back to the same as the Mark V. You can actually put a Mark V and a Mark VI main board in there because they're exactly the same layout. The main differences on the Mark VII is we've got an extra USB-C port which is in place of where the DC cable was. And that's about it. That covers everything. Okay, so just to wrap up, here is like the whole machine apart. Let's show you with the screen and keyboard separated. So the keyboard is part of the chassis, and the screen assembly is here. The screen will actually come apart a little bit more with the antenna and the bezel down here. So the antennas then sit under there. So yeah, at least you can get to the hinges, maintain those if you need to, and that's pretty much it. So we have all these components we sell. You don't see them listed, which you probably won't for the new main boards, but yeah, if you need one or you want one, drop us an email and we'll be happy to sort of advise on we can source one for you.